Let's have some more practice with our functions. For this video, behind the scenes I've created a file called as weight.py and let us see what's happening. Now since Lewis is staying in Zortan, gravity works differently over there. And this time we want to calculate how much you weight in Zortan. And this is the formula to convert the Earth's weight to Zortan's weight. Let me go down over here and let us define a function which is called as calculate weight. This will accept one argument which we can call as weight. We can define the type as a float because your weight can have decimal values. So let me write the type is a float, and this function will also return the float value. Inside the body of the function, we can have one single return statement and we can say that I want to return, and here we can calculate the weight by using the formula. So we can say the weight plus of 32 divided by 8. Now let us try and print out the weight. So let me write a very simple print statement. We can use our formatted strings. So we can say you weigh, and inside the curly brackets let us invoke the function. So I can say calculate weight, and for example let's pass 60 kgs, and then we can say kgs on Zortan. Let us save this and let us try running this program. So here we have the output saying that you weigh 11.5 kgs on Zortan. Let us go back. I wanted to show you one small trick. What happens if we want to display exactly 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places and so on? The way to do that is right over here. So here we can say that I want to display my 2 decimal places for the float. Just save your file and try running it for the last time, and here we have the output. So you can see we have 2 decimal places.